Hello friends, I'm Shreya. I will make a very beautiful bracelet design through this video. I have used seed bead, crystal and pearls to make this beautiful bracelet. One request friends, please watch the video till the end. Hope you like this bracelet design. First I took 6 pieces of silver color seed beads. Then I took 1 piece of 12 mm off-white pearls. I make my jewelry using fishing wire. Then I took 1 piece of seed beads. Then I took 1 piece of seed bead, 1 6 mm blue color crystal, again a seed bead, then again a blue color 6 mm crystal and again a seed bead. I will tell each step by step so that you don't have any difficulty while making. If there is any problem in making, please comment. I will try to help by replying. Then taking a 12 mm off-white pearls, then take a seed bead and a 6 mm blue color crystal, again a seed bead, then again a blue color 6 mm crystal and again a seed bead. Then we took 3 pieces of seed beads. Again we took 3 pieces of seed beads. Then we took 1 6 mm crystal, then 1 seed bead, then again 1 6 mm crystal, then again 1 seed bead, then we took 12 mm of off-white pearls. Then I took a seed bead, then a 6 mm crystal, then another seed bead, then another blue color 6 mm crystal. pieces of seed beads. It takes a lot of time to make any jewelry using seed beads, but it looks really beautiful. Then we took 3 pieces of seed beads. Like this, we will continue the same process and take about 2 meters. Then we will use 6 pieces seed beads. I made this bracelet design for you in as simple a process as possible. Then again we add 1 seed beads. Now done. I hope you like this design. Please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. This time we will add charm rings on both sides of the bracelet and add a lock. You can use the lock as you wish. As for bracelet, thank you very much for watching this whole video. Thank you so much. Please don't leave without a like on this beautiful bracelet video. See you again. Bye bye dear.